We're gonna visit our friends over in Italy and we're making a pizza.
Move my feet closer to yours. Catch my breath and I say, I'm the one you're looking for. So come on, dance a little dance. Take my hand, darling, take a chance. You be my queen, I'll be your king.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. As you can see, I'm back in the kitchen chefing it up. We were gonna go over and visit our friends here in Greece. I was gonna make some gyros today, but the pulled pork I have already has like this tangy spice sauce to it, so I don't think that's gonna really mix well with the gyro. So I'm gonna take a detour and we're gonna visit our friends over in Italy and we're making a pizza today. So I'm gonna make it. It's kind of like, it's not really an Italian meal, Italian dish. It's kind of untraditional, but you know they're famous for their pizzas. So I'm gonna do a barbecue pizza today. So I'm gonna use pita bread, and then I have this prepackaged pork that I already have. So it's got like a tangy, so it looks like I have this like tangy, sweet southern sauce to it. So I'm gonna use that. It was just a prepackaged pork. I thought it was just pulled pork, so I was going to use that. Would have been great for the gyros, but it's got that like tangy sauce to it already, so I don't think it's going to mix well with the gyros. So I'm going to do this pizza instead for today, and then for my next cooking video, I'll go back to the gyros once I have just regular pulled pork. So I've got that. I'm going to use some oil just on the bottom of these pitas, just so they don't stick to the pan. Gotta love the olive oil, Italian gold right here. And then I've got this barbecue sauce, Memphis style, so I'm going to coat that on top of the pita bread. And last we have our mozzarella cheese, so I got 2 bags here. I'm going to finish this one and start with this one. So we've got the mozzarella cheese to top it with, and let's get started. So first we'll get the pita going, get this open, and this should be very quick. Like this shouldn't take very long at all. I'm thinking maybe like preparation, cooking, everything probably like 20 minutes. The gyros too, we're gonna be quick as well. So I'll probably do that here in the next day or so once I get some regular pulled pork. So stay tuned for that one. All right, so we got the pita. I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil on the bottom of this so it doesn't stick, so don't have any complications when it's cooking. Not too much oil, just a little bit so we're not sticking here into the pan. I got this brush here to brush the oil on so it's nice and proportionate onto the pita. So we're good there. That's all set. So our first step's done. I'm gonna flip this over. This is the bottom of it, so I'm gonna flip this over. Put all the toppings on top here. All right, next we'll do the barbecue sauce. So this will be kind of more like the pizza sauce, so we're gonna coat that on top of the pita here. You can use this brush as well, so the sauce is nice and proportionate, nice and evenly spread on the pita. Alright, so that's all finished. Next I'm going to add this pork. I might be able to make another one. Looks like I have enough pork to make another one, so if I can, I'll definitely make another one because I'm a hungry man today. And every day. Alright, so I'll move the camera, I'll give you guys an aerial shot here what this looks like, and I'm on top of the mozzarella cheese to finish it off. Alright, so this is what we're looking at here. We got the pita, we got the barbecue sauce spread on top of the pita, and then we have the pulled pork. So I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like, a little aerial shot of it. And then I'm gonna coat the rest of the pizza with mozzarella cheese, throw it in the oven, and we should be eating here shortly. Alright, last but not least is the mozzarella cheese, so we'll go ahead and grab a handful of this, sprinkle it on top. We'll be putting this in the oven here shortly. Actually, get that preheated. So we'll just do 400. Kind of just winging this meal. I've done this before. This is just the first time I filmed this. These pitas are amazing with pizza. They're very simple, very easy, and you have 5 in a package, and they're not that expensive either. They're like $3 or $4, and they make really good pizzas. All right, so we're all set. This is ready to go in the oven. Got the cheese on top, everything, all the toppings are set, sauce is on there. So we'll go ahead and throw this in the oven. Probably give it about 10, 12 minutes or so. We should be ready to roll. All right, guys, we're finished. Just came out of the oven, just cut it, put it on the plate, and this is what it turns out to look like. Looks pretty good. It was a really easy meal. It took like 20 minutes to make. It put in the oven at 400 for 12 minutes, and then probably took like 5-10 minutes to prep. It was very easy, very simple, very cost-effective meal. So this is what it turned out to look like. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Yeah. That's really good. Really good. It was a really good meal that was really easy, really cost effective. Really just used prepackaged pork, some mozzarella cheese, barbecue sauce, and the pita with oil. So it was really easy. I would say this whole thing probably cost maybe like $10. So it was really easy, really quick. Took 20 minutes to make, and it's actually really good. So this is what it turned out to look like. So thanks guys for joining us today. Hopefully everyone enjoyed our video, and my next meal will be the gyros, and we'll see you guys in the next video.